The Honorable and the Principal of Mahad Ayesha lilbanat, all teachers and administration, staff of Mahad Ayesha lilbanat, and all my friends from 10th until 12th grade and most of all the juries for this speech competition. Before I begin to give my speech, I would like to invite you all to thank Allah, the Almighty, who has given us mercy and blessing, so we can meet together in this blessed place. And also let's deliver salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the brightness, so we are always in the right path. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor for me to stand right here in front of you all to give a speech about the importance of learning English. The topic of my speech is that are related to this competition. Knowing that a lot of students hate the subject in school. Ladies and gentlemen, language plays an important role in human life. One tries therefore learn and use language as a means of communication and simultaneously a social symbol of humanity. By using language, someone could make a statement, convey fact and knowledge. Someone keeps social relations among the language users. This indicates that by means of language, people can express their ideas. Feeling information, it is through communication. We all think and we all communicate, but how do we do it? We do it through words, not just words, but words in a particular language which others understand. Through it is easy to communicate in our mother tongue, that alone is not enough. Fact that people speaking different languages mingle with us almost daily basis. Let's say, when we go to Bali, there are a lot of foreigners speaking in their own language, not ours. Obviously, it's no longer uncommon thing if you see a foreigner walking down the street speaking in their own language. It is here that English and it becomes an advantage. English may not be most of communication and simultaneously. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.